Stop buying travel gadgets you'll use once and forget. Hey, it's Ben, and today I'm sharing 14 real travel must-haves that are actually worth buying before your next trip. Nothing fancy, just things that make traveling smoother. Stick around for the full list because most of these might surprise you. Our first essential is a collapsible cup. It holds 6 ounces but folds down to just 0.6 inches, small enough to slip into a pocket, bag, suitcase, or car cup holder without wasting space. It works for both hot and cold drinks, and even for quick rinses. The lid keeps it clean in your bag, and the included lanyard makes it easy to carry. It's dishwasher safe, costs about $8, and takes up almost no room, making it a small upgrade that makes travel noticeably more convenient every day. Our next essential, the Vantamo Money Belt, keeps you secure in crowded places by hiding your passport and cards under your clothes, instead of in a pocket you constantly check. It works as both a passport holder and an anti-theft wallet without adding bulk, and its advanced RFID blocking technology helps protect your sensitive information from digital theft. For $17, you get 2 spacious compartments with premium zippers that securely hold your passport, cards, cash, ID, and smartphone, all in one place. Our third travel must-have is the Moomy laundry bag, and if you've mixed dirty clothes with clean ones, you already know why this matters. Instead of your suitcase turning into chaos, everything you've worn goes straight into one bag. The bag is breathable, surprisingly spacious, and includes a built-in folding hanger so you can air dry clothes in your hotel room, dorm, or gym locker. It holds about a week's worth of clothing, up to 5 pounds, and features a small pocket for detergent or other small items, which comes in handy on longer trips, all for just $25. Our next travel essential is the compact Orico Power Strip, a 7-port hub that combines 3 AC outlets with 2 USB-A and 2 USB-C ports. Plug it in once and you can charge up to 7 devices, your phone, laptop, earbuds, and more, all at once. Roughly the size of a credit card, it easily slips into luggage or backpacks. At just $37, it delivers 65 watts of fast-charging power, enough to boost a MacBook Pro to 50% in only 37 minutes, while also working seamlessly with smartphones, tablets, and other USB-compatible devices. The fifth item is a foldable day pack, the perfect backup when you don't want to carry your main luggage everywhere. Its 10-pocket layout features phone pockets on the shoulder straps, 2 side water bottle holders, a front mesh and zippered pocket, and a hidden anti-theft rear compartment, keeping your gear organized and easy to reach. When not in use, it folds into its own pocket, so it stays tucked away in your suitcase until needed. This 15-liter backup bag is crafted from tear and scratch-resistant polyester and is priced at $21. Next up is a tech pouch, because loose chargers at the bottom of your bag are the worst. It keeps everything in one place: cables, power bank, adapters, and more. Compact yet spacious, it has an angled opening so you can see everything at a glance. Inside are 2 large slip pockets, 3 small compartments, 2 elastic pen slots, and a central zippered pocket, perfect for keeping your cables, earphones, USB drives, and other tech essentials organized, all for just $19. Next up is something simple, a travel pocket mirror. You don't always get great lighting in hotel rooms, and sometimes you just want a quick check before heading out. A mirror like this flips open, stands on any surface, and gives you that quick look without needing to hunt for a bathroom. It's super slim, so it slips into any pouch or toiletry bag without taking space, and the cover keeps it protected in your bag. At $8.20, it's an affordable travel essential and popular gift option. Number 8 is the Basis MagSafe Power Bank. It snaps magnetically to your phone so you can charge without cables. Slim enough for a pocket, it holds enough power for multiple charges and offers wired charging for faster speeds. Its standout feature is pass-through charging, which lets you charge your phone and AirPods simultaneously, even while the power bank itself is charging. Priced at $33, it's compact enough to carry anywhere. Durable, with a strong magnetic hold, it's perfectly suited for both travel and everyday use. Our next travel must-have is the MZZO Sleep Mask. Add this eye mask to your packing list. It makes a real difference. It fully blocks out light, and its contoured shape doesn't press on your eyes like cheap airline masks. Soft and breathable, it stays put even if you move around. Its comfort and light-blocking design help people fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. Featuring an adjustable elastic headband with a buckle strap, this set provides a secure, personalized fit for any head size. For just $30, you also get 2 earplugs and a convenient travel pouch. Our 10th essential is the Skytrax Travel Neck Pillow for $32, a smart upgrade if you want to arrive without a sore neck. It includes a compact hard-shell carrying case with a built-in luggage strap, so you can easily attach it to your bag and keep it protected on the go. The solid memory foam offers steady head support, helping you relax instead of constantly readjusting, and many travelers say it noticeably reduces neck pain on flights and road trips. Next is the Packed Walt charging station. If you travel with multiple devices, this 3-in-1 charger is a total space saver. It charges your phone, earbuds, and smartwatch at the same time, so you don't need a pile of cables. It's compatible with iPhone 12 to 17 series, all modern Apple Watches, and AirPods with wireless charging cases. It's compact enough to slip into a backpack or carry-on. At just $32, it's an affordable, stylish solution for anyone with multiple Apple devices who wants convenient, fast charging on the go. Next up are the InsFit travel bottles, available for just $9.49. This convenient 4-pack includes 2-ounce silicone bottles that are perfect for shampoo, conditioner, body wash, lotion, hand sanitizer, and other toiletries. The soft, squeezable design helps the bottles compress in your luggage, saving valuable packing space. Many users report no leaks even on flights, making them ideal for carry-on travel and short trips when you don't want to bring full-size products. A wide opening makes them easy to fill and clean, and the flexible silicone ensures you can use every last drop. Our next essential is the Volley Travel Vacuum Bag Set, perfect for maximizing luggage space and keeping your belongings organized. This $61 2-pack helps you fit more into your suitcase while staying within strict airline baggage limits. Its 2-in-1 design lets you use the bags as liners in your suitcase or backpack, or attach the shoulder straps to turn them into standalone waterproof backpacks. The included high-performance pump removes air and compresses your items by up to 85%, so you can pack more and travel lighter. Finally, there's the Mars Canned Toiletry Bag, which costs $18. Designed to open completely flat, it reveals 2 clear compartments so you can see and reach everything at a glance, no more digging through a cramped pouch. Its hang-open design lets you use the top handle to hang it from hooks or doorknobs, freeing up valuable counter space in hotel rooms or on the go. It also comes with an extra clear cube, ideal for keeping smaller essentials like skincare products, cables, or first aid supplies neatly organized. And those are 14 travel must-haves that are genuinely worth buying before your next trip. If you want to check any of them out, the links are in the description. Like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.